In this video I'm going to show you how to simply rearrange and organize your photo albums. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Photos app and there at the bottom hit Add Albums to show up your albums. Now there hit Add See All to see all of your albums, and now in order to rearrange the albums all you have to do is just hit there at Edit. There you can see that you can't interact with recents and favorites albums. All the other albums can be rearranged, and to move, for example, that album here at the top, all I have to do is hold down and move that album in the place where I want to see him. Now I'll do it with that album, and in that simple way I can change positions of any album. And once I have finished, I can just tap on Done, and basically that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.